Greetings from Side, more specifically from Buyuk Plaži, which translates to Big Beach, or as I have seen a sign, East Beach. And compared to the beach that I have been on yesterday, that was closer to the central part and the hotel area, this is a truly piece of beauty because there are no sunbeds, which means that the beach is almost completely empty, which I really like. And it is right next to the ancient ruins of Side. Not so far away from here is the ancient theater and also the Apollo temple also that I have just seen. It's around 500 meters away from me. So Side is a great mix of history and beach if you want to visit it. So today I have slept a lot. I have gotten up at around 10:30, which is probably the longest. But now that I think of it, it was just 9:30 Swedish time because Turkey is 1 hour forward. Currently it is 4:15 exactly p.m. and we have 28 degrees Celsius in the air with a bit more wind than yesterday. And I'm gonna find out how is the temperature in the water. So yes, day 2 of my vacation in Side. So 6 more days to come. And today I have come a bit late on the beach because I was doing some sightseeing, and there will be a walk tour of Side also, of the ancient part of Side, that I'm gonna be uploading as well. I have my laptop with me, so we'll try to upload some episodes even live from Side. The beach is big, and this part that is closer to the city has no sunbeds and no lifeguards, which means it is almost completely empty and perfect for adventurers like myself. The bottom is super sandy as well, and I can see that there are some sunbeds starting further down, and you can also see the ruins from here as well. The water, as I'm touching now, yesterday it was 29 degrees. Let's see how much it is going to be yesterday. I have my thermometer inside the water now for a few more seconds to establish the temperature of 28 degrees here on this one, as it looks like it's a bit more windy on this side. So yeah, yesterday it was 29 both in the air and in the water. Today 28 on both. Still super warm, still super nice, and let's get going and take a swim in the Mediterranean Sea here in Turkey, Side. So yes. Just look at how beautiful the sea looks like, and this whole huge beach segment of here that I have just for myself. It's quite amazing. I just love when the beach is not crowded and doesn't have sunbeds, which means it's gonna be empty and perfect, like all the beaches in Sweden actually. Cool, so then let's go in for a swim at Buyuk Plaži in Side, Turkey, in the area of Antalya, of course, region. Woo. That was a long dive indeed, and perfect also. I love it. Whew. Look at this, so beautiful and so nice indeed. As I see also the ancient ruins, it's quite nice, and some authentic houses as well here along the coast of Side and the Side ancient town of Side, that is. Amazing. So the water is so warm that you can stay all day in the water. So yeah, 8th of June today, and time to enjoy and recharge my batteries on this vacation in Sweden. And I'm glad that I came just now because the weather in Sweden is not the best currently. So hopefully when I'm back to Sweden it's gonna be above 20, so I can continue with my cycling and beach adventures out on the sea. Because even though it's so nice and sunny here, I miss Sweden, as it is so special with the nature over there. Anyway, that's a wrap from Plaji in Side. I'm gonna be actually spending a lot of time here, as I have found out that there are very few people here on this beach, so it's gonna be just perfect. Cool, thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.